Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a follow-up to the tablets that I bought, pretty much. I'm now going to be unboxing the... If I can even bloody read it. It is a tablet. Pretty much a keyboard case. By Hue. Pretty much you can see right there. So it should use a wireless connection, so probably Bluetooth. Obviously, it shows it on the back. Damn, this blade is dull. So pretty much we're just going to be unboxing it, seeing if we can get it connected with the tablets and see what is in the contents of the box. So first off, you got what is this? I guess it's like a mouse pad. It feels like a mouse pad, but it's like cloth. I don't think that's for cleaning the screen. You got the certificates for something. I don't know what that is. Then you got the user manual. Okay, so here's the name of the keyboard. It's the MFSX12 Magic Keyboard. Pretty much has been sitting in the... It's been sitting along with the tablets gathering dust. God, how the hell do you even put all this together? I guess I'm gonna take out the keyboard first. Put that to the side while I check what this is. That is a weird contraption right there. There's a staple loose in the box. That's great. Random ass staple. So you get the USB and the fuck mic. I can't speak, sir. You got the USB and then the USB-C. So this can actually connect to your laptop, or if you have an adapter, it's connected to an outlet. And then we have the keyboard itself. So I don't remember what color I got it. I think it's like a gray or black. So here's how it looks like. They got your little area cut out for the camera. Check in the back. It's got a bit of a smooth finish. Sort of like a rubber type finish, not like hard plastic. And then you got your keyboard. Damn, that's all it opens. So pretty much it only opens about, what is that, 45 degrees, 60, 80 degrees? I'm actually, don't know if it goes any, yeah, I don't think it goes any further. I don't know if that's normal. Pretty sure it should, but how in the hell does this... Yeah, that doesn't look right. Is that how it opens? Yeah, it has hinges on the sides. I don't know if this is all it opens. Because that's not good if that's all it opens. How exactly am I supposed to use a tablet like this? No, I'm gonna figure it out. Let's see. Personally, I thought this was gonna wrap around the tablet, but apparently not. So yeah, pretty much here's the keyboard and mouse area. Got the tablet with me right now. I'll go ahead and try to fit it on. Is it supposed to just fly in the air? I honestly don't know. I guess it's supposed to just fly like this in the air because it's held by magnets. So I'm a bit skeptical of this. I can't really turn it any higher. So this is the best view you guys are going to be able to get. I don't even know where the power buttons on this damn tablet are. It's in the top, sir. So yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Try and... let's see if I can zoom in. You know what? I didn't actually check if there's... oh, yeah, you got your power switches right here on the side. USB-C for charging, and your on and powers off and off switch. Sort of has like a backlight on the keyboard. I'm just gonna use the pen because I gotta get a screen protector installed on this. And I don't want to really end up with cleaning up a bunch of fingerprints, which I probably should have done from the beginning. So connections. So we're in connections right now. Go Bluetooth. And then it's going to be right there, the Hue keyboard. And that's pretty much it. You just connect and it's already done. Let me see. Alright, I forgot I don't have the, whatchamacallit. So I don't need this right now. So you got the keyboard connected. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. We can use the pretty much we can see. Where can I see? So you can use the pad at the bottom, sort of a keyboard. So search, which you're not going to be able to see. I'm just going to try and see if the keyboard works. Now the keyboard is kind of quiet. It does have a backlight. I don't know if you can change it. I mean, you probably can. Oh no, I think it only comes in like white bluish color. It has an option to make it brighter or turn it off, but pretty much that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much the Hue keyboard. It's just the keyboard, the cable, and a certificate. That's it. So that's pretty much it. Then when you're done, just switch it off. And you got your tablets with your keyboard. This actually feels quite heavy. actually feels like you're holding a laptop. So that's pretty much like, what, 5-10 pounds? Feels like you're carrying one of those old laptops that used to be decently heavy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing much else to it. It's just a keyboard connected. That's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.